Buy a ripe and healthy apricot from your store. Cut it and remove the pit, rinse it, and let it dry. The seed is inside the pit. Then, gently crack open the hard shell using a nutcracker or hammer to get the seed. Tap lightly, just enough to open the shell without crushing the seed. Soak the seeds in water for a few hours to test their viability. Good seeds sink well. Discard the floating seeds, they are damaged. Next step is stratification. The seeds taken out of the pits will not germinate, because they need a cold period to break dormancy. For this, wrap your seeds in a paper towel. Dampen it. Then seal it in a Ziploc bag. And place in the fridge, not freezer, for 6 to 8 weeks. This mimics natural winter conditions. You can skip this step if the apricots in your store have come from cold storage, but you never know, so it is better to stratify them to ensure germination. Check every week. If any mold appears, just replace the paper towel and rinse the seed before returning it to the bag. In a few weeks, you will see a tiny white root appear from seed. That means your seed is ready for planting. Now plant the germinated seed in a pot. For soil, mix equal parts potting mix, compost or cow manure, and river sand or perlite. The compost adds nutrients, while sand or perlite prevents soggy roots. Fill a small pot with this soil mixture. Plant the germinated seed 2 to 3 centimeters deep, with the root pointing downward. Water lightly and place it in a warm, bright spot with morning sunlight. Keep the soil consistently moist but not wet. Overwatering can rot the young root. Within a few days, a small seedling will emerge. Growing conditions and repotting. Light requirement. Apricot trees love the sun. Give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Pot size. Start small and gradually move up as your plant grows. A mature tree needs a large pot, at least 24 inches wide and deep. Avoid tall, narrow pots. They tip over easily when the plant gets heavier. Add a thick layer of mulch to preserve moisture and prevent weeds. Watering. Water young apricot tree regularly during their first summer. Water older trees when top 1-inch soil gets dry. Test it by inserting your finger in soil. Reduce watering in winter. Fertilizing. Feed your apricot every 4 to 6 weeks during spring to early autumn. Use compost, liquid seaweed, or a balanced fertilizer. Sprinkle fertilizer along the rim of the pot and mix in soil. Always water after fertilization. During winter dormancy, stop feeding completely. Resume again when new growth starts in spring. Pruning and shaping. Pruning keeps your apricot compact and bushy, perfect for pots. Start when your tree is young. Remove weak or crossing branches. Cut off inward-growing shoots. Remove dead or diseased wood. In late winter or early spring, prune 20 to 30% of new growth to shape the canopy and encourage branching. Never prune more than 1/3 of the tree at once. Pests and diseases. Common issues include aphids, spider mites, leaf curl, and mildew. Spray neem oil every few weeks. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil plus a few drops of liquid soap in 1 liter of water. Remove infected leaves early to prevent spreading. Good airflow and dry leaves help prevent fungal problems. Flowering and pollination. Apricots usually start flowering after 2 to 3 years from seed. Beautiful white or pinkish blooms appear in early spring. Most apricots are self-pollinating, but having 2 trees increases fruit yield. Bees help, but you can also hand-pollinate with a small paintbrush. Gently brush from one flower to another to transfer pollen. If your tree is not producing fruit, add potash for phosphorus and potassium. Avoid overwatering during bloom and move the plant outdoors for better pollination. Fruits are ready to pick when they turn golden orange and feel slightly soft. Tree-ripened fruits are sweeter. They will come off the stem easily. Store ripe apricots in the fridge for up to a week or 2. Bonus tips. Protect from frost. Move pots to an enclosed area in winter. Repot every 2 to 3 years with fresh soil. Add mulch to retain moisture. Light pruning after harvest keeps it productive. And that is how you can grow and care for your own apricot tree from seed in a pot, from fruit to harvest. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy gardening videos. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!